Hello, welcome to Chicanime. My name is Lauren, and today I am going to be looking at slime. That time I got reincarnated as a slime, episode 7. Yes, episode 7. It is called Conqueror of Flames, and it looks like we're getting some Shizu backstory. I'm down with it. All good for me. And now I don't really want to make much further ado, so let's begin. Kill him! He did something horrible to you. What? Oh no! Oh, this poor girl. Alright, okay, Jesus Christ. This, Toucan Sam, if he went through the monster factory, is so weird. That's cool, though. Well, I mean, I guess they couldn't make him too formidable. He has to be a little bit of a joke. Hello, kitty cat. Okay, so the eye that was real up is the one that's got like little scars, I guess, coming down. That's interesting. Hi. I'm not mad. Oh, that's really cute. Also, I really love this fox thing. It's so pretty. Okay, so both of these girls, I guess, are going to be under the control somewhat of this guy, because the other one has the little marks on her, too, in different places. So that's her Demon Lord mark, and these are all of the other ones. I wonder what her thing is. Yeah. No, you're going to make him, they're going to make you kill him. Yep. Oh. No! Stop possessing her to kill her friend and the animal.
Shizu?
Not Shizu, that's Ifrit. Oh God. Oh. I did not know that she could get even more tragic. I knew it was gonna be bad, but God. Oh. Oh my God. Shizu, I'm so sorry. No. Okay, so I'm guessing this episode is going to be kind of like her learning to take control of the Jinn inside of her, as opposed to letting the Demon King overrule it, right? She's got to look over and make sure she didn't kill anybody. That's devastating.
Oh, 行かなきゃ。そっか。ここにいたら迷惑をかけちゃうかもしれないし。
She might if she's got people looking for her.
私の旅の目的は私を召喚した男を
Kill him, maybe?
残念だけどいつでも遊びに来てくれ。
He's like, well, all right. She doesn't want to say it, so let's move on. Okay. So I wonder if we're going to find out, I'm sure we're going to find out more about her backstory as time goes on, but that would be kind of what I expect. So her story is going to be, she was summoned by this guy. He makes her kill for him. She eventually figures out how to control the Ifrit inside of her and escapes from him. But now she's and then where he got defeated in battle or something. She got away and now she needs to find him again so she can kill him.
一緒に冒険できたらどれほど楽しいだろうと思う。だったら
She's not going to.
旅があなたたちとで本当に良かった。
Oh, dang. She's expected to go and die, huh? Or maybe make him send her back? Are you good, Shizu? Oh. Is he trying to take control? Get out of the way! Move! Bug off! still so worried about her. Oh, they bonded and like this poor girl. Oh. Doesn't seem like she's conquered them. It seems like they're still in control a little bit. Yeah. Ranga's ready to go. Oh, she's still kind of in there. Wow, the heat is just burning up her tears. That's crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, like, doesn't look like she's controlled them. It looks like this thing is still very much a part of her and controlling her a little bit. I'm only 45. Good. Oh, no. Summoning some demons. Great. Yeah, right? God damn it. What is all of this? Why? Is it just to cause destruction? Like, what is the point? Wow, he's brave. Bless! Let Rimuru focus on the Ifrit, and the others can focus on the demons. Okay, well, at least he can hurt them. Also, I guess he hasn't eaten too many fire creatures, right? You'd think that maybe the water would have some kind of advantage, but maybe he should use that, like, screamy power he has. Nicely done. Good jumps. Yeah, okay. You know what? That's clever because he knows he can't move very quickly, but he can do these kinds of magic attacks if he's got, you know, if he's on the move. So I like this plan. It's good strategy. Hot butt? All of it? Dang. We might destroy everything. I do wonder how quickly those conversations happen in his head. Like, do they happen in real time or is it much faster? Okay, so he's learned it better. Oh, lots of them! Nice! Okay! Creating new spells on the fly, too! Amazing! Oh, sick! Oh! Ow! Nope. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Hello. Ifrit's down. Oh, no. That's not fair. 12? 15? How many is that? Alright, cool. At least the duplicates are easy enough to get rid of. What is this? Can Rimuru eat the fire? Is he able to do that? Poor guy. Slime. Yeah, right? He's like, actually, this is okay. He was, I'm actually okay. He's like, come on, hurry up, man. I love the system or whatever. It's like, hey, remember about this? We've talked about this before. You're resistant to everything. I love it. She's like, ugh. Or it's like, oh my god, this slime. Because Rimuru, they already told you that you are resistant to everything. You just have to remember. Eat it! Nom 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 on that fire, baby! I ate it! Nom nom nom.
今何かしたのか
Rude.
俺のターンだ
ユニークスキル捕食者を
Yes! Oh, nom nom.
シズさん
I ate Ifrit, you're good. Oh, look how startled he looks. He's like, oh, what the fuck just happened? Is he gonna meet Veldora down here? That would be very fun.
観念せよイフリート貴様にこの空間はやかなう相手ではないわリムルは我の盟友ぞ
We family, boo! Amazing! Yes! Oh, that makes me happy. Oh, that made me really, really happy. Okay, we got a really cool fight. Shizu's okay, hopefully now. And yeah, hopefully Shizu's okay. He ate her demon. I don't know if that means she's not going to be as powerful anymore. She might just be a good fighter. She's probably maybe she's not immortal anymore. But I feel like she'd be fine with that. You know, like I don't think this firepower actually really helped her ever, you know? It just made her miserable. So this is less. Oh, this is exciting. I'm so happy. And I'm really, really glad that Ifrit I was like, he's gonna meet Veldora down in this joint. Yes, and he did. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, well, this was fun. Thank you so much for watching this. If you are on the upper tier of Patreon, I'll see you next week. And if you are watching anywhere else, I'll see you in 5 seconds. Bye!